What's up guys, my name is Brock, you're watching The Modest Man, and today, something slightly different. I have a guest contributor, my buddy Coy, who runs the Gentleman Within YouTube channel, is going to give us a celebrity style breakdown for Kit Harington. Awesome actor, as we all know, and he has awesome style in real life, both on and off the red carpet. So if you're not already subscribed to Coy's channel, watch this video and then go subscribe. There's a link down in the description. He has seriously one of the most underrated men's fashion YouTube channels right now, so go check him out. And yeah, I think that's it. Coy, take it away.
What's up guys, it's Coy from Gentleman Within, and I want to thank Brock for allowing me to contribute to his style breakdown series. This one is featuring none other than Kit Harington from Game of Thrones. And so this video is all about how you can dress like the honorable hero. You can't talk about Kit Harington without talking about Game of Thrones. It's launched and defined his career as an actor for the past decade. But this video isn't about his acting chops or whether or not the King of the North ends up on the Iron Throne. So let's get started with the style breakdown, but first, who is Kit Harington? Sure, Kit Harington plays Jon Snow in the massively successful Game of Thrones, but Kit Harington is just a regular dude, 32 years old. He lives in New York City with his now wife, Rose Leslie from Game of Thrones as well. They were each other's love interests at one point. Since Game of Thrones wrapped, Kit's been really busy. He was on SNL. He did some voiceover work for How to Train Your Dragon. He's done some stage work as well. And now he's the face of Dolce & Gabbana's fragrance, The One. Just like Donald Glover, Kevin Hart, and some of the other guys that Brock has covered in his style breakdown series, Kit Harington dresses really well regardless of being a little bit of a shorter guy. He stands at 5'8", which puts him about an inch shorter than the average height in America. Now on to Kit Harington's style. We're gonna start off with Kit's casual style. You're gonna really see Kit Harington wearing smart casual looks. More often than not, he's wearing really dressed down casual looks, more rakish, like a bad boy type of vibe. Kit's casual style mainly consists of dark wash skinny jeans paired with a scoop neck tee in neutral colors like black, navy, and gray. For outerwear, you'll see him wearing unstructured jackets like trucker jackets, and yes, even the Harrington jacket. Down low, you'll almost always spot him wearing either black or brown Chelsea boots. There's no athleisure for Kit. It's all rakish looks that pretty much make up his everyday uniform. While it's easy to appear sloppy wearing the casual pieces that comprise Kit Harington's casual uniform, but he's abiding by the most important rule in menswear, which is he's nailing the fit. His pants break cleanly, his shirts are form-fitted to accentuate his physique, and his outerwear creates a stylish silhouette. Most importantly, he keeps it simple, from his basic tees to Henleys and cleanly draped sweaters. Doesn't get more effortless than rocking a few casual basics, and that's something that Kit does exceptionally well. Another aspect of Kit Harington's casual style is skinny jeans, and it seems that Kit Harington has an affinity towards rocking skinnies. You'd be hard-pressed to find him without skinny jeans in all of his casual looks. You'll notice that he likes to either cuff or stack his jeans, similar to a style move that Kevin Hart likes to make. And for colors, Kit sticks with the tried and true basics of dark wash, navy, and black. He's not a fan of bold logos at all, and so most of the time you'll see him pairing his skinny jeans with solid block colors or striped shirt. So taking a look at the paparazzi photos of Kit, it's clear that he's nailed his casual style, but what about his formal style? Similar to Aziz Ansari, Donald Glover, and Kevin Hart, Kit Harington transitions from his casual style into red carpet style like the best of them. I guess it doesn't hurt to have a personal stylist. For the red carpet, Harington sticks with the tried and true colors of navies and grays. His event looks feature tailored suits and crisp white shirts that just exude pure sophistication. Earlier this year, he hosted SNL where he deviated a bit from his dark color palettes when he was wearing a tan suit with a black sweater underneath. Not only does Kit get an A grade for color selection, but his suits fit flawlessly. His jackets drape nicely and are buttoned with just the right amount of waist suppression, and his trousers are streamlined with a nice generous taper towards the ankle. And for his shoes, he always has a pair of clean black Oxfords on, which is the perfect style statement for any stylish man. Much like Jon Snow, Kit likes to wear a lot of black, and so lots of simple and block colors. This is evident through his black tie attire, through various red carpet events, and his show premieres. Kit is at his best when he dresses tonally with dark solid colors. In fact, he's mastered the black on black, dark monochrome aesthetic. Not only does the contrast work well for his lighter skin complexion, but it also helps to streamline his look, making him appear a little bit taller than his 5'8" frame would suggest. As I mentioned before, Kit isn't big on logos and brands. However, he does have some brand partnerships, and so a couple of years ago, he was partnering with Jimmy Choo's, and so he wore a lot of black Jimmy Choo shoes. At industry events, he'll often wear expensive watches, like the one that he wore from Jaeger Le Culture Master Automatic watch. I just butchered that, but yeah, it's a really high-end watch, very expensive, but he was also, I guess, partnering with this brand in the past. And as mentioned earlier, he is also the face of Dolce & Gabbana with Emilia Clarke from Game of Thrones, his co-star Khaleesi. And so often you'll see them together and they're decked out in D&G apparel, I'm sure. So to conclude, you want to dress like Kit Harington? For casual style, you want to embrace the staples like a basic t-shirt and dark wash jeans. You want to make sure that your clothing is form-fitted, maybe even a little tight, especially those skinny jeans. And then you're going to pick up 2 to 3 or maybe even 5 pairs of Chelsea boots in a multiple of colorways. While suiting up, stick with the monochrome aesthetic. Blacks, navies, and grays are fair game. And then find a tailor that you can trust to get that slim, streamlined aesthetic. And you're going to be looking red carpet ready, just like the best of them. Finally, get yourself a fur coat and you'll be baller. All right, guys, that's all I got for this video. I want to thank Brock again for allowing me to contribute to his style breakdown series. And I hope you liked this video. If you did, subscribe to Brock's channel, subscribe to my channel, Gentleman Within, and thanks as always for watching. Cheers to your style, and I will catch you on the next one. Peace.
All right, Coy, thank you so much for that style breakdown. Wow, Kit Harington, such a good actor, such amazing style, even if we were slightly bummed out about that last Game of Thrones season. It wasn't his fault. So yeah, it was super helpful. If you want to read the article version of this post, there's a link down in the description for that. And that article has more links that you can kind of shop his favorite brands and stuff. Coy, thanks again for helping with this video. Go subscribe to Coy's channel, Gentleman Within. Thank you as always for watching, and until next time, stay stylish.